this nail, I don't like the design. I'm gonna be changing it, and I'm gonna start by doing it on the press-on, which is for my dominant hand. I'm thinking of some type of bangle style ish something. So let's see how this goes. So we're doing this uncut, arrows and all. I think that looks good. I'm gonna cure that one first, and then I'm gonna do a flash cure. I just need to keep the shape in place, and then I'm gonna go in with some others, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna also go in with some gold beads. I'm gonna go in with some gold beads from this and bring this design, tie this design together a little bit more. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna do one more. I'm keeping the same outline, I would say. Or should I say direction? Keeping the same direction. I'm gonna do 2 this time. I feel like I'm finding my groove. I could be wrong. Let's see about this. So I know everyone is doing spring designs with a lot of flowers and, you know. But honey, I'm in the Caribbean. It's summer all year round. So, but I do want to, I've been thinking of doing 3D flowers with acrylic and gel, but I bought the what do you call it? I bought the 3D brushes, the 3D nail art brushes. They're somewhere around here. I wanted to show you, but I don't know where it is. They're still in the packaging and everything, so I want to use those. Try out the 3D flowers, keeping with the global spring theme trend that's going on. But I wanted to do gold for this set, so that's what we're doing, gold theme. So that's what we're doing. And I may do it for the next one, who knows, because I always think of designs that I'm gonna do, but then I end up doing something completely different. That's the way my mind works. Fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know which one, but that's the way my mind works. So I'm going back in with my concoction that I made on the other video. If you want to know what's in this that I'm applying to do my chrome transfer, I'll try to link it here if I can. Somehow I'll try to do that. And get the underside as well. Now to do the chrome as gently as I did on the previous video, it's gonna be a challenge because of the way that I do it, right? But I'm up for the challenge, so let's see how this turns out. I'm as nervous and excited as you probably are, because I have no idea what I'm doing. This is my very first time, and I'm hoping I do a good job. So I can sleep all tonight. Now we're on to the last one, and I'm gonna have to be doing some cleanup because I have my concoction spewing into places where it shouldn't be, simply because I'm so heavy-handed. Which is a whole different issue. So now I have gel in places that it shouldn't be. I'm gonna turn it down this way and get to my cleanup rescue mission, as it were. I think I should have done these one at a time, and then flash cure them, because this is a mess. Guys, if you try this, don't do what I just said, okay? I made a mess of things. I certainly made a mess. What was I thinking? Or I wasn't thinking. Okay, hold on. Scratch that. Let's do it the proper way. Hold on. Let's get rid of this. And then do what I should have did in the first place. I think that's good. Okay. So we're gonna go in not as heavy-handed as before, and we're gonna flash cure each one separately. Now, what I try to remember is not to be alarmed by how light this little concoction looks, because it does a marvelous job of transferring my chrome just the way I want it to. Flash cure quickly. So it doesn't run where it shouldn't be. I think that's good. So I'm gonna repeat that process on the others, and then I'm gonna try to record applying the chrome intricately and delicately, or whatever the word is. All right.